Hey guys, I have the car jacked up. If you guys were wondering what was up with the wheel bearing, as you can see, you can hear it. So yeah, it's pretty bad.
I'm gonna need you to put that down for a second.
Oh no. There's a fishing line tangled up in the axle. I don't know if that's anything to do with the noise, but definitely kind of strange. Never seen that before. Look at that. Oh, I told him. Crazy.
No, it's your bearing.
That fell out of the inside of the back side of this. Interesting. Huh. That's strange. You can go for it. Oh wow, look at that. Mm-hmm. See how much play is in that thing?
You can't. It just feels like crap.
Oh wow, barely turns.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah, it's toast. And it's full of fishing line.
You tried counting it yet?
I want to make sure I don't miss anything here.
Yeah. I want to do that.
Could be a bunch of people watching this, like at least 5 or 6 people.
They're gonna be like, "Well, what a help you are with that camera."
I guess Steph could be recording it, but then people would just see me sitting next to you watching. What were the torque specs?
7 Ugga Dugga.
Okay. Just two trigger pulls.
Yeah.
Nope. Yeah, sure.
That's where it's going now.
Mm-hmm. Damn. People are gonna cringe at this. Might be in the wrong spot. It's a funky design. How many hands do you think I have? Well, as you can see or hear, or maybe not, there's no more noise from the wheel bearing, so luckily that's all it was. It looks like some fishing wire got tangled up in the axle, and actually it went inside in between the wheel bearing itself and got entwined in there, and the bearing one side of the car pretty much wouldn't even move. So pretty interesting. I haven't seen that before. So I appreciate you guys watching, guys. Please like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.